Hi everyone, I am here with another beautiful unboxing from Your Creative Studio. So I thought I would experience that with you guys. I haven't done it yet. Your Creative Studio. And I believe this is their February box. Oh, look at that. There's an Oscar Wilde quote on there. So cute. So I can't wait to see what's inside. And I love these little envelopes that you don't know what's in there. It just makes me feel like it's Christmas. This is a cling stamp, it says. So I'm gonna open that. If I can get it open, there we go. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's a beautiful flower frame or like a monocle. It could be anything. It could be like a little frame. Super cute. This is washi. Really pretty florals. Pale colors, kind of like this backdrop actually. That goes really well. Here is another cling stamp. Ooh. Oh, 3 cling stamps, all really cute little wildflower, like botanical shapes. Super cute. Love those. I love anything floral. Speaking of which, oh my gosh, look at these. I think these are clear stickers that look like pressed flowers. They're really pretty. Let me see if I can take one out just so you can see. Yeah, look at that. That just looks like the real deal. It doesn't even look like a sticker. That's amazing. And there's lots in there. Like tons and tons. Super cute. And here are some more. There's actually some dried flowers in here. And little tags. Let's take out the paper stuff. Let's see. Oops. There's some little kind of, these might be stickers too, actually. Yeah, I think these are all stickers. I think, or stickers and some papers. Really cute little calendar. Sweet, sweet. I love that. Put that back in. I don't want to mess up this beautiful little press flower. So cute. I just got a flower press with my kids, so it's fun to look at stuff like that. Here are some more combination of stickers and little tags, little papers. I don't want to take them all out, but little tickets, train tickets, calendar tickets, maps, writing, and then some more really pretty long stickers. Time Flies Bill collection. I'm going to put that underneath that. Really beautiful. Cute little notes. This is great. Little ledgers and receipts. So pretty. Everything is so different on here. I love that. I'll totally use that for lots of collage. Love that. And then this is probably another collection of ephemera. it looks like. You've got like some papers in here, more note papers, just really pretty stuff. More botanical papers. I don't want to take it all out. Maybe I will a little. I just don't want to lose anything. Got botanical papers, really cool fonts. All from really pretty, like vintage. Look at that. Like field study kind of stuff. Beautiful. Let's see this one. Just so pretty. And then it looks like in the back there's some natural papers. There's some, you know, like natural flowers in there. Let's see if I can get it back the way it was. I'll put that aside. And this one is, it's cards, land of things. Let's see. This one is more smaller papers, all very similar, but like a lot of field study kind of notes and ledgers, postcards. It has a vintage feel, but it really looks like textured, and it looks very vintage. Super, super cool. Like, you know, like you really just found it in someone's, like a botanist's notebook. I love it. I love stuff like this. And then this is masking tape. I think it's tissue paper though. It's got like a tissue paper feel to it. Let me just see. I'm curious. Yeah, I definitely think it's a tissue. Yeah, definitely a tissue. Very pretty. And then this is some more stickers. These are more like on a vellum, like a vellum sticker. And some more floral and, oh, these are decals. These are transfers. Super cool. So these are all image transfers, which I love, that kind of thing. Also very fun. It comes with a little stylus so you can rub them here. Super cool. And then this must be the really large size papers. And it has 24 sheets. It says 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum, 6 art, and 6 pattern, it says. So let's take a look. I'm curious. So you got a lot of, oh yeah, this is a sticker sheet. You can feel. So some of these really are sticker sheets, which is super cool. And just really pretty patterns. Look at that. Very, very springy and summery. If you do anything themed for the year, just really pretty papers. Love that. And of course it says, you know, there's some vellums in there too, which is cool. It's kind of cool. They repeat a print in different forms, so you could have it in a vellum and a regular paper. So cool. I feel like with these boxes you get so much. You get the papers, transfers. There's so much to work with here, and I just love this like field study stuff. These are just gorgeous. And this too, I mean, I know, little receipts and stuff, super cute. More stickers, a little mix of everything. Beautiful stickers. Plus you get, you know, the washi and the stamps. Just so beautiful. I actually think I'm going to start playing with some of this right now because I'm super inspired. I'm so grateful that they sent another little box for me. It's just super beautiful. And again, I'll put the link in my description for their shop. And if you like this box, I think it's their February box. It's supposed to be, I think, garden or florals or something, but February 0223. So, and I'll be back. You know, I'm going to keep putting videos up here. So come on back. I'll let you know when I do some more.